To export your EveryDollar budget, start by logging into your account on the EveryDollar website or mobile app. Once you are logged in, navigate to the budgeting dashboard where you can view all your budget categories and transactions. Click on the settings icon, usually represented by 3 vertical dots or a gear symbol, and select the export option from the drop-down menu. You will be given the choice to export your budget data in a CSV or Excel format. Choose the format that best suits your needs. If you want to export specific data, such as a particular budget category or a certain time period, use the filter options to narrow down the data range. This will ensure that only the relevant data is exported, making it easier to analyze and review. Once you have selected the export format and filtered the data, click on the Export button to initiate the download process. Depending on the size of your budget data, this may take a few seconds or minutes to complete. After the export is complete, you can open the file in a spreadsheet program such as Microsoft Excel or Google Sheets to view and analyze your budget data. You can use this data to track your spending, identify areas for improvement, and make informed financial decisions. It is a good practice to regularly export your budget data to keep a record of your financial progress and to make adjustments to your budget as needed. By following these steps, you can easily export your EveryDollar budget and take control of your financial management. Remember to always keep your budget data secure and backed up to prevent loss of information.